Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bad strut sounds are usually described as a hollow clunking or banging type of sound. You'll typically hear the noise when the vehicle is traveling over irregularities in the road. It's also possible to get a bad strut mount sound, an audible clunking or creaking when turning the steering wheel. 16 June 2020.
Take our lead.
A strut works by absorbing the bounce of your car driving over bumps in the road. Driving with a broken strut will be extremely uncomfortable for you and your passengers, and is unsafe in an emergency. It can also damage other components in your car.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Struts don't need to be replaced unless your vehicle is bouncing like it's on a pogo stick or bottoms out in potholes and over railroad tracks, or unless a mechanic finds that they're leaking fluid or have been damaged. The struts limit the resulting bouncing caused by the springs compressing and releasing. 7 February 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The average cost for a strut replacement generally runs between $450 and $900 to replace a pair. If you are just replacing a single strut, the repair price will come to between $130 and $300, while labor will cost you between $150 and $300 for the pair. 5 October 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.